Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy. Right now it's like 7:30 and I've decided to start my day. Basically, I've been asleep the entire day. I was out last night and we came home at like 2 a.m. and I slept around 3. I was asleep for a long time. I woke up at like 1 p.m, ate food, went back to sleep, and I ended up waking up at 6 p.m. So here we are, and I need to clean my room. I've just put like my clothes away because they were just sitting on my desk and I didn't put them away. Now I'm going to organize my wardrobe because there's a bunch of stuff that I don't wear anymore and that I want to sell. I'm gonna be doing that, cleaning my room, you know, changing my sheets, everything. So let's just get started. I'm so hungry. This, you are an OG right from the very beginning. This is the background I used to use for my hair videos on Instagram. Like back in 2019, I think. I was like 13, wasn't I? No guys, if you remember this, you need to tell me because I feel like no one remembers it anymore. It needs to live on. Oh, I need to get the vacuum downstairs. Wait, hang on. I already kind of reorganized my wardrobe, and then I put all of my stuff that I don't want to wear anymore on this side. So all of this I'm going to fold up, list on Vinted, you know, try to sell it, and like I'm just gonna store it in that drawer over there. Just when I take my heels off, I need to be taller to reach these. Ugh, whatever. I'm gonna put them back on later though, when I'm walking around and everything. Because why not wear heels around the house? While I fold my clothes, I'm just going to catch up on Love Island. But I still have a few more in here. I said a few more. I still have loads in here. I have an entire pile. At least it's all folded up already. I think I'm just gonna leave this in here though, because it would be a bit too heavy for the drawer. But there's still some more. I have these that I can put in the drawer as well. But I finished folding the clothes, I put it away. So all my clothes are now in here. This is a Halloween costume. And then like these bunny ears as well. Halloween. And then yeah, all my old clothes, what I'm not gonna wear anymore and what I'm gonna sell is in here. This whole pile is stuff I'm not gonna wear as well. but it's like all the jeans because they'd be too heavy to go in there. These are mostly hoodies. I'm not wearing these, and these are joggers. And then I have this little organizer thing, coats and jackets. And yeah, all of these are my nail stuff and hair. Oh, there's this random hat that was on the floor. I need to tidy up my room now, make it all clean and organized because I've got a bunch of stuff on my desk. I mean, it's not as bad as it was, like, as it has been the past couple weeks or like days. Yeah, I just need to tidy everything, vacuum. I'm so hot. Like, I have the window open, but there's no breeze coming in. I might just chill for a bit. Oh, wait, I have a little fan. So I'm gonna start tidying up now.
Everything disgusting, conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck, I just want fuck. Peace, sleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter?
So I have these coats that were hanging up downstairs. I'm just gonna sort it out and like leave it in my room.
You're like humanity, only humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity. I need everybody wanna be beautiful, scared of the unusual, scared of giving mutual respect. All that you hate, you reflect. All that God like you forget. How to love somebody, I hate everybody, I hate everyone. Let's talk about me. I look back, I'm more hurt than that. Look back, a future I won't. Look back, you sleep at night, don't bow me down. I'm wide open, I'm on wet, I'm on all the whole planet. I'm all over, I'm running, I'm wide open. Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and not call me after? Can you hate on me and mask it with laughter? Can you lead me to the darkness, the password? I need humanity. You're like humanity, lonely humanity, craving humanity. You're like humanity, I need humanity.
Okay, so I've just finished tidying up my room, vacuuming and just cleaning. I didn't want to vacuum for too long. I only did it like quickly because it's late and I don't want to disturb my neighbors. In terms of cleaning my room, I'm done. All I need to do now is change my bed sheet. a lot of Vaseline on my lips before I go to bed, and then it just keeps my lips just moisturized throughout the night. But this is what happened to my Vaseline. It's all in the lid, and I mean, I guess I could use it, but I tried it earlier on and it's not the same, like, because I left it in my pocket in one of my jeans which had been washed, so it was in the washing machine, and yeah, it just got ruined. I don't think I can use it anymore, which is unfortunate because Vaseline has now gone up to like £2. I need to find somewhere that sells Vaseline for cheap. Before I go to bed every night, I fill out my journals. I have one that's a water tracker. Today I've drank 1.5 litres, which is not good. I'm gonna get another bottle in before I go to sleep, so I'll be up to 2 litres. I'm just gonna fill it in and say that I've drank 2, just to force myself to actually drink 2 litres. I always aim to drink 2 litres. If I drink more, then that's good, because there was a time when I would drink 4 litres every day for about a week. I actually haven't drank 3 litres at all this month, which is something I need to do, so I'll try to do that tomorrow. Yeah, I'm just gonna watch and do my journaling.
I just feel like today, that's our situation. I'm just like something. Yeah, exactly. Still what's right for you guys at the end of the day. You're here for yourself.
Our situation's good, man. Like every time I want to, like, you know, someone just wants to touch you, no, it's good, man.
You host things back? Yeah, like, he's like 6 of 5 as well.
No, yeah, man, so it's looking, everything looking good, something's definitely going right, so.
We just tell them that to make them feel special.
How are you feeling?
Any kind of connection?
You are?
So I'm done journaling for now. I still have a little bit to do after, just to write about my day and stuff, but I'll tell you guys about it. Overall today, waking up at 6 p.m, it was nice being in bed and sleeping in for that long, and I'm glad I did get that rest, because I did come home late last night, slept late. I'm glad that I still got to be productive in the afternoon, just because I wasn't doing anything for the first half of the day. The past few hours, like in the evening, I actually got a lot of stuff done. I organised my clothes, changed my sheets, cleaned my room. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment down below, you know, any videos you want to see, because I have a lot of time to film lots of YouTube videos. Yeah, I'm really gonna be pushing out loads of content for you guys, because it's the summer and I have like 2 months off of school. I'm going to be doing a lot. I go on holiday to Greece next week, so keep an eye out for a vlog. If you haven't seen my Budapest vlog, you should go watch that. And I recommend watching my last week of school vlog. It was actually really fun. Like, we had a culture day, there was a fashion show, and yeah, I vlogged in my lessons as well, so you guys get to see my friends and like what it's like around college. Let me know if you guys have any video suggestions. I'd really love to hear what you'd like me to film. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok and my new Instagram. I'm not active on xkimmy.x on Instagram anymore. It will be here. It's the same thing for my TikTok. All the links will be in the description. Make sure you guys follow me and look out for all my new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in my next video.